Youbond, heavy-duty laminating machine with double pallets flip-flop stacker. When inputting the paper size on the screen, each parts will move automatically and accurately, redefining the industry standards with its fully intelligent configuration. The screen will show the thickness when set to corrugated here. The pressing roller gap and glue quantity will also adjust automatically. The paper pile could be loaded to the feeder unit. The left-right position could be adjusted. This process largely saves labors. The AGV prepared by buyer. The max design speed of the feeder is 180 meters per minute. The top paper will always get aligned to one side by the slope belt. The max deviation correction is 10 millimeters. The top paper running adopts a streaming way, preventing the paper jam situation when the paper is bent. The bottom feeding has both belt feeding type and leading edge feeding type for your option. The casting frame and 165 mm diameter roller ensures the stable running during the high speed. The high-speed flip-flop stacker machine is equipped with the lifting cylinder, leaving enough space for the manual collection. The stacker is fully servo control and perfectly matches the speed of the laminating machine. When laminating small-size papers, 2 piles of the paper could be collected on the stacker. Youbond always provides a perfect laminating solution for you and helps your business take off.